Whatever requirements the authorized supervisor has, all of them should be in place with us. After that, our authorization should be within the permit limit. The certifications we have should also be authorized and our plans should be approved as well. The validity of all these things should be within the process time of our permit, which is our work time. They should be valid up to the point of being applicable, and at the very end there should be no conflict, and at the very end no conflict. It should arise due to work activity, meaning that simultaneous operations should not affect any other work and no other work should be affected by this work. So these were some of the main responsibilities of the area authority, the AA, which they need to ensure before validating the permit. So students, communicate control and commence work. We need to communicate the control measures and how to start the work. So the first thing that will happen is the atmospheric test. If the permit requires an atmospheric test, it will be conducted. Conduct activities in the designated area as per available permits. Certified AGTs will conduct tests. The atmospheric test will have to be conducted. Who will do it? The question arises here as well. Only an authorized gas tester at AGT who has proper authorization, training with a valid certificate, and whose certificate should be valid. There should be refresher training from time to time. Shall conduct the gas test. Whatever your energy isolation is, it will be demonstrated to the general practitioner GP properly and will be witnessed to ensure that all sources of energy have been isolated here. Shielded with zero energy, whatever your energy isolations are, they will be demonstrated to the general practitioner GP. It will be properly witnessed to ensure that all sources of energy have been isolated here. The permit issuer will inform the GP. The permit issuer operator will inform the GP about the emergency procedures. That if there is any type of emergency in your activity or in your surroundings, what the emergency response plan will be, what the safe evacuation protocol procedure will be, where the assembly point will be, and what kind of alarm will be sounded. Which color light will identify which emergency? So this entire procedure will communicate with the GP before starting your PI work so that they can communicate with their team and execute the work safely. So students, when our PI has communicated everything with our GP, zero energy demonstration has been done, emergency procedures, assembly point, evacuation plan, all things have been communicated, then the next responsibility goes to the job performer. What the job performer has to do is sign and accept the work site, their work location.